talk about how to tack short-handed. It is very important that the helmsman will control the rate of the turn, the pace of the turn, together with the pace of his crewman. So it all starts with preparation. So while sailing close haul, we get the lazy sheet ready by putting it on the winch and collecting the slack. Now I position myself mentally and physically together with the line, the walking sheet, the one I have to release. It is easy to pull from far away, however it's quite difficult to release from far away. So the helmsman is looking at his new tack, his new course, and he will walk together with the pace of my switching sides. Let's tack. The moment we get the jib laughing, we release it completely and start pulling on the new tack. On most conditions, on good conditions, it is quite easy to make a slow and controlled tack to allow the crew member enough time to walk so he will not need to walk against the wind later on.